I'm Cassandra Belinsky for InvestmentPitch Media. Today's latest equity research report comes from eResearch Corporation. Analyst Chris Thompson gives Renforth Resources Incorporated a speculative buy rating and a one-year target price of 25 cents, a premium of 150% to the 10-cent price on April 28th, the day the report was issued. The full report is available on eResearch.com. Renforth Resources, a Canadian-focused mineral exploration company, is both asset and cash-rich with a collection of 4 100% owned gold and battery metal projects within the Abitibi Greenstone Belt, a world-class mining region with 3 projects in Quebec and 1 in Ontario. Renforth is cash-rich after selling its New Algar gold property to Radisson Mining for $500,000 in cash and $4.26 million in Radisson Mining shares, and then raising $3.24 million in an equity financing. Renforth could receive another $1.5 million, which would be payable on the announcement of commercial production at New Algar, a sale of New Algar for more than $40 million, or a change of control of Radisson Mining. Mining activity in the Abitibi Greenstone Belt, which reaches from Wawa, Ontario to Val-d'Or, Quebec, is reported to have produced over 180 million ounces of gold in its history, plus millions of ounces of silver and billions of tons of copper and zinc. Mineral deposits are commonly located along or near the fault zones, with the 2 most prolific and well-known fault zones being the Destor Porcupine in Ontario and the Cadillac Larder Lake in Quebec. Renforth's projects in Quebec are on or near the Cadillac Larder Lake Fault Zone, and in Ontario its property straddles the Destor Porcupine Fault Zone. Renforth's main project is the Parbec Gold Project, which is adjacent to and on strike with the Canadian Malartic Mine, Canada's largest gold mine operated by Agnico Eagle and Yamana Gold. The Canadian Malartic Mine has reached the bottom of its open-pit mine and is shifting to underground mining, which could require CMM to stockpile low-grade ore and seek other sources like that from Parbec. At Parbec, the company completed a total drill program of 15,569 meters, and with the current backlog at the labs, the company still awaits the results of 35 holes drilled in both Phase 1 and Phase 2, so lots of news still to come. In May 2020, Renforth published an updated NI 43-101 compliant pit-constrained resource for Parbec for a total indicated and inferred resource of 281,000 ounces of gold at an average grade of 1.77 grams per ton gold. As a near-surface resource, the company believes this asset would be attractive to any gold producer in the area that is looking to add or replace depleting ounces. The company's Ceramo Battery Metals project is a district-scale project of 215 square kilometers with 7 mineralized targets with the potential for a VMS deposit of sulfide nickel. Its nearby Malartic West Copper-Silver project, another district-scale project of 53 square kilometers, is also adjacent to the western border of the Canadian Malartic mine property. In Ontario, the company's Nixon-Bartleman Gold Project, 45 kilometers southwest of Timmins, sits on the Destor Porcupine Fault and hosts 5 gold-bearing quartz veins with gold on the surface over a strike length of 500 meters, which remains open. Management has extensive experience with the company led by Nicole Brewster, president and CEO, who takes her compensation in shares, thus her interests are aligned with those of the shareholders. Based on their geological knowledge of the region and a well-established Abitibi-based team, the company is well-positioned to take advantage of exploration opportunities in the region. Merger and acquisitions activity in the area is strong, highlighted by the recent deals of El Dorado Gold announcing a $132 million agreement to buy QMX Gold and Yamana Gold, closing its $152 million acquisition of Monarch Gold. With Renforth's current focus on growing the resource at Parbec, management has expressed an interest in selling Renforth and the Parbec project in the next 12 to 18 months and then spinning out the remaining assets into a new company. Analyst Chris Thompson stated, An experienced management team with diverse commercial, market, and technical expertise supports Renforth. Based on their long-standing experience and the geological knowledge of the region, the company is well positioned to take advantage of exploration opportunities, and the recent sale of New Alger illustrates their ability to execute project sale transactions to deliver value to shareholders. The full report is available on eResearch.com. The shares are trading at 9.5 cents. For more information, please visit the company's website, renforthresources.com. Contact Nicole Brewster, President and CEO, at 416-818-1393 or email nicole@renforthresources.com. I'm Cassandra Belinsky for Investment Pitch Media.